Yesterday, I saw a suspense movie on the television. I was sitting on the edge of the sofa trying to predict what will be the next scene, but every time I predicted, something else happened. So when the movie got over, I was really excited. I was thrilled. So is the case with you. When you look at the title of a movie, you think the movie theme is going to be this. But if something else happens, you are thrilled. When you look at the poster, you think movie is going to be this, but something else happens, you are thrilled. When you sit in the theater, when the first scene comes on the screen, you think the next scene is going to be this, but something else happens, you are thrilled. Finally, at the end of the movie, you think the ending is going to be this, but the ending will be something else. You are really excited. Am I right? Take the other way around. Imagine you thought movie is going to be this, the story is going to be this, the movie is going to end like this, and same thing would happen. And when you come out of the theater, what would you say? So boring movie, very predicted lines. That means every one of us would like to enjoy the suspense, the mystery, the thrill of any movie, any story. But when it comes to the life, the cinema called life, we want our life to be on the predicted lines. Tomorrow should happen the way you expect it to happen. Next month, exactly the same thing should happen. Your child should get into the college that you expect him to be, and you should get promotion when you want it to be. And most of us cannot take it when you expect something and something else happens, and we get disappointed, which means the child in us who was wanting to enjoy the suspense is no longer there. That is the reason why most of us go in search of astrologers, babas, palmists, people who can predict your future, who can tell you what will happen 5 years from now, what will happen 10 years from now, when you are going to die, how are you going to die, when are you going to construct this house. Understand one thing. The guy who is writing the script of our life, God, he too wants to enjoy the suspense, right? And he wants movie to be thrilled, excited. So if only we can enjoy this movie, every day is going to be something different. It has to happen the way it has to happen. And if we can take in that suspense, and if that can sink in you, and that means you are full of life. If you cannot take in that, that means the child in you is no longer there. So enjoy every second, every minute, because none of us know how tomorrow is going to be, whether we are going to be alive tomorrow or not, how the world is going to be. We have absolutely no idea. That is the suspense. That's why this life is so exciting. So as long as we are there, we must enjoy this moment. If we can live in this moment, and if we can enjoy this thrill, this particular scene, and I'm sure life is going to be exciting for all of us. So stop trying to know your future. Start living in the present moment. That is the key for your success. Enjoy every second, every minute. And if by chance you expect something and something else happens, and you be like the child who comes out of the theater and say, oh my God, what a movie. Superb. Same is the case with life. If we can say that, and I'm sure you are on the right path. What do you say? Jason signing off. Bye-bye.